Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from Wurkkos. Now this here is their TD03. Now the version I have here is the 5000K, has that Luminus SFT40 LED in it. So let's wait no further, let's open it up, see what's in. Now I had done a previous version of the TD02. This is a reminder protection piece on the battery. Here's the user manual, multi-language, front, and back. Let me get to the English chart here. Sorry it's so small. So as you can see there, 1800 lumens is the highest output that this can do. Now if you need more time to read those, go ahead and pause screen. Otherwise we're going to move along. Get a nice quality USB Type-C charging cable. It's pretty long too as well. And looks like you've got a lanyard with 2 extra O-rings. O-rings are already on the light. There it is. Nice looking light. I really like this grooves on the body. Clip on here, you can remove it if you don't want it. Now this does have a tail clicky, but it also has a dial here. That's locked out. It's got the gray bezel on here. Looks like an indicator for the battery level there and charging. Super compact on here. Definitely geared more towards an everyday carry. You also got tactical as well. Everyday carry this if you wish. You can table stand this as well. And the finish on here is a more of a matte finish. Style and design on this is very nice. Okay, so now let's go ahead and take a look here at that smooth reflector. And you've got the Luminus SFT40 LED. And the machining and finish on this is very nice. Not seeing any issues here. Alright, so now let's go ahead and open this up and I'll show you the battery that it comes with. Well greased threads there. Got the protection piece here, fell off. I saved those. You can always reuse them at a later point. Spring on the head of the light. Pretty heavy duty on there, especially for an 18650. one 18650. This is 3000 milliamp. This is a 20 amp cell. This is unprotected, so it should be plenty powerful for this particular setup. And it's got a spring down there on the tail. Now you can use any 18650 in here, including a flat top cell. So if you do have extra, and all you got to do is swap out the battery and continue on your way. Now let's go through the UI. We're going to turn the dial. Turns on the light, as you can see there. And now you can half press that to go through all those light levels. Now if you press down and hold, it will go into strobe, and that is a variable speed on the flash, and it is very distracting. Goes back to the last light output that we had it on. Nice super focused area here. A little bit of bleeding around the edges of that, but look at that spill area. Look at how wide that is. Nice beam performance on this. And half press again goes to the lowest setting. So now we're going to turn the dial to the other setting here. So you have the highest and the lowest. Just those two light outputs there. Can you press down and hold? Yep, you can do so on any of these mode settings. And a quick turn of the dial locks this light out. And that's all there is to this light. Simple UI. I love that rugged construction on this thing. Definitely feels like it could take an everyday carry beating if you work security, law enforcement. Well, let's wait no further. Let's take this TD03 out, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the Wurkkos TD03. I'm going to go ahead and get started. Water spout, 38 feet, 65 feet to this tree. Want this light output. The beam on the fence, kind of give you an idea, and then show you the beam range at this light output. Pretty nice. Let's go to the next level. Spill has come alive. $5K, doing really well, making 138 feet to the famous Tree of Life. And faintly making 238 feet as well. Making it across the park to those playgrounds. 65 feet, even better there now. Fence line, tree line. Let's go to the next level. Look at that spill. Great combination beam on this. Playground across the park. Both of them. For this size, it's got some pretty good range on it. 238 feet there now. 138 feet to this tree. And faintly making that first palm tree, so that's impressive. There it is, the next level. Making that first palm tree, as you can see there. Second one's got a haircut. I don't know what happened to it. Probably won't be up much longer, so it's too bad too. Got some range out there, you can see. Playgrounds across the park. Lighting that up even better. Tree line, fence line. Beam profile here, look at that. Nice. Welcome back, hope you enjoyed those night shots. Very nice combination beam. This almost leans a little bit more towards a little dedicated thrower, but not quite. But beam range on this is very nice. One of the better performing lights I've seen in this size, form factor. The build quality, ease of use is a huge plus for this light. The dial, I kind of like that feature. Battery level indicator. Even after testing it out there for about 15 minutes, battery is still in good shape. So definitely it's going to get you some good run times on the lower light outputs. Of course, the higher output turbo, you're going to drain the battery quicker and it's going to cycle down, which is perfectly normal. Feels rugged. Again, I don't see any issues with this light. The dial is definitely something that's interesting, and I've done quite a few lights that have this similar idea in their concept of their lights, so it's definitely simple and easy to operate. That's another huge plus. You can charge this on the go if you have to top it off, or throw in another 18650 and you're back on the road enjoying your nighttime adventure. Great for EDC in my opinion. You can carry it, casual carry, or you can tactically carry this as well. Very impressed with that Luminus SFT40. That's just an incredible LED. Alright, well I want to thank Wurkkos for sending me this TD03 to review. Now if this is something you are interested in getting, I will leave a link down below the video in the description box, plus a special discount code that'll help you save some money on this kit, just in case you're interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thanks button. Donate to my channel. Otherwise, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these new lights from Wurkkos to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care. Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness.